welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to secure your Facebook account. This is very quick and easy lesson, right? First of all, open Facebook and tap on your profile icon. After that, go to your Facebook setting. Click on your Facebook setting. Here you can see. After that, here you can see option privacy checkup. Click on this privacy checkup. After that, here you can see how to keep your account secure. Click on this. After that, here you can see turn on login alerts, and also your password is okay. Now click on continue, and here enable this two icon. They will send your, if your account login, they will send you a notification, and you turn on the login in alerts. They will send you alert of login. In this way, you can easily secure your account on Facebook. You can also change your password on Facebook. Now click on skip. Now click on skip. Review another topic. You can also, in this way, you can secure your account on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.